Looking for the best tonneau cover that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best tonneau cover that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Tiger Auto Tonneau cover. Designed specifically for 2021 to 2026 Ford F-150 and 2022 to 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning models with a 5.5-foot bed, this roll-up tonneau cover delivers an excellent balance of durability, security, and everyday convenience. Its U.S. patented design features heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade dual-coated vinyl reinforced with built-in horizontal crossbars, providing dependable support while maintaining the flexibility to roll up completely for unrestricted cargo access. Aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel mounting clamps ensure a strong, corrosion-resistant installation that stands up to demanding conditions. The Velcro side seals, secure tailgate latch lock, and adjustable tension system keep the cover tightly fitted, minimizing wrinkles while protecting cargo from rain, dust, and harsh weather. Installation is straightforward with a no-drill design for most applications, making it ideal for DIY truck owners. Backed by Tiger's impressive 5-year warranty, this tonneau cover is a reliable, long-lasting upgrade that enhances your truck's functionality, appearance, and cargo protection. Next up is Whale Motor Tonneau cover. Engineered specifically for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5.6-foot, 67.1-inch short bed, this hard trifold tonneau cover offers exceptional protection, durability, and convenience for everyday truck owners. Constructed from premium fiberglass, it delivers outstanding strength and weather resistance, easily withstanding heavy rain, intense sunlight, and even hail without denting or losing its shape. Its clamp-on, no-drill installation makes setup quick and straightforward, allowing users to install or remove the cover without specialized tools or permanent modifications. Reinforced hinges, heavy-duty latches, and a reliable locking system provide enhanced cargo security, giving you confidence that your belongings remain protected from theft and the elements. The aerodynamic low-profile design also helps reduce wind resistance, contributing to improved fuel efficiency while staying stable at highway speeds without the flapping common with soft covers. Complete with 6 mounting clamps, extra weather stripping, and an impressive 60-month warranty, this tonneau cover is a dependable, long-lasting investment for your F-150. Coming in at number 3 is Tonneau tonneau cover. Built for truck owners who want premium protection without sacrificing convenience, the Tonneau hardshell tonneau cover combines rugged durability with a sleek, modern design. Its powder-coated matte black aluminum frame and heavy-duty hinges provide outstanding structural strength, while the EnduraShield automotive-grade polymer panels resist dents, scratches, fading, and everyday wear for long-lasting performance. Unlike many hard covers, the panels remain cool to the touch even in hot weather, making them comfortable to handle year-round. The user-friendly folding design allows quick access to your truck bed by simply releasing the secure clamps, which lock firmly to the bed flange for added stability during travel. When maximum cargo space is needed, the entire cover can be removed in seconds by loosening the front jaw grip clamps, without tools or drilling. An advanced sealing system helps keep water, dust, and debris out, ensuring your cargo stays clean and protected. Now number 4, Edro Tonneau cover. Designed specifically for 2021 to 2026 Ford F-150 style side models with a 5.5-foot, 67.1-inch bed, the OEDRO trifold tonneau cover is a practical upgrade that enhances both the functionality and appearance of your truck. Constructed from heavy-duty double-layer PVC, it offers excellent resistance to UV rays, stretching, and daily wear, ensuring long-lasting durability in all weather conditions. The pre-assembled powder-coated rails and sturdy aluminum clamps provide a secure, stable fit while making installation quick and straightforward, with no special tools or drilling required for most trucks. Once the tailgate is locked, the cover transforms the truck bed into a secure storage area that helps protect cargo from theft, rain, snow, dust, and road debris. Included waterproof ceiling strips further improve weather resistance, keeping your belongings dry and clean. Combining reliable cargo protection, user-friendly installation, rugged construction, and a sleek low-profile design. This OEDRO tonneau cover delivers excellent value for F-150 owners seeking durability, security, and everyday convenience. And finally, our last pick is Tonneau King tonneau cover. This hard-folding tonneau cover is an excellent solution for truck owners looking to maximize bed utility while adding superior protection and security. Built with high-grade FRP and reinforced aluminum panels supported by an internal honeycomb structure, it delivers impressive strength with the ability to support up to 400 pounds, making it far more durable than many traditional soft covers. The rugged construction provides excellent resistance against theft, impact damage, and everyday wear while keeping valuable cargo safely concealed. Designed for all-weather performance, it effectively withstands heavy rain, snow, extreme temperatures, and sharp objects without fading, cracking, peeling, or tearing over time. Its sleek aerodynamic profile not only enhances the truck's appearance, but can also help reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency during highway driving. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the no-drill design, allowing fast setup and easy access to cargo whenever needed. So those are the top 5 best tonneau cover you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.